You're going to need milk, eggs, flour, oil, and salt. We are going to use 2 eggs. We are going to use 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. We are also going to use 4 tablespoons of oil. 4 tablespoons of oil. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons. We are going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to use 1 cup of flour. Now, we are going to blend. On low heat, we are going to use a frying pan. We are going to use 1 ladle of dough and put it on the frying pan. After a while, we are going to flip it. For stuffing, I'm going to use cheese and Chester. Now I'm going to try it. So yummy! I loved it!